Hello guys, in this video I'll share with you some of my battery saving tips I have on this iPhone running iOS 15 currently, and this will also work in iOS 14. With these tips you'll be able to save more battery power on your device to last you through a whole day. So without taking much time here, let's get to the video now. So the first tip I'll show you is turning on low power mode with shortcuts. I know a lot of you people know about low power mode, but this time we can turn on low power mode at any percentage using the shortcut app. So to do this, open shortcut on your iPhone, then tap on automation. Now you tap on the plus symbol here, then create a personal automation. Scroll down and tap on battery level. Over here you can select your preferred battery level. I'll set mine to 65%, then tap on next, add action, and select scripting. Scroll down, under device, select set low power mode. Make sure it's set to on. If you see off, tap on it to change it to on. Now click on next. Over here, turn off ask before running, then you tap on done. So anytime your phone gets to 65% or the preferred battery level you chose, it will turn on low power mode automatically for you to save battery life on your device. You don't have to do this manually every time. What name should I even give to this second tip? Okay, I'll say automatic data turn on and turn off. So this time we'll use the shortcut app again. Open your shortcut app, then tap on automation, tap on the plus and create a personal automation. Now scroll down and tap on app, then you select is opened. Tap on choose and select your favorite social media app. You can also do this for other apps which needs internet access to work. So I'll select Snapchat. Now tap on next, tap on add action, scripting. Scroll down and tap on, scroll down, then you tap on set cellular data. Change from off to on. Now tap on next. Over here, turn off ask before running. Now tap on done. We'll have to repeat this same process again, so create a personal automation. Scroll down and tap on app. This time select is closed. Tap on Snapchat again. Next, tap add action, scripting. Scroll down and select set cellular data. Now change from on to off. Next, then turn off ask before running. Tap on done. Now take a look at this. So anytime I open Snapchat, the data will automatically turn on. As you can see, once I leave the app, it will turn the data back off. So you can do this for other internet apps on your device, and it will help you save more battery life on your iPhone. Tip number 3 is to close background running apps. It's very important to close running apps in the background because so far as they are running in the background, they will surely use your battery, and even at the same time they will use your data or your Wi-Fi network connected to the device to make sure it keeps you updated once you visit the app or that particular app again. So press on your home button 2 times, or if you use an iPhone X appward, you swipe from the down to open all apps running in the background. Then you do this to close them. So tip number 4 is to please like this video, subscribe for more videos like this, and back to the video. Tip number 5, turn off auto brightness. So you should turn off auto brightness so you can have full control of your brightness level, or you can manually control your brightness level depending on wherever you find yourself. So to do this, open settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Tap on display and text size. Scroll down and look for auto brightness. Now just tap on the switch to turn off auto brightness. Tip number 6 is turn off background app refresh. I know most of you know about background app refresh, but maybe not everyone here watching the video. This is how background app refresh works like. So it allows your apps to refresh their data using your internet or your Wi-Fi network you are connected to, and you know this will use a lot of battery life because so far as they are still running in the background, they are using both your battery and your data. So turning it off will help you save some battery on your device. So to turn this off, you head over to settings, tap on general. Under iPhone storage, you'll find background app refresh. Tap on it. So over here you can turn it off one by one for apps you don't want them to refresh in the background, or when you tap here you can turn it off completely, so no apps will refresh in the background. They only get refreshed when you visit the app again. Anyways, I hope some of this tip works for you. Subscribe for more videos like this. Also like, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. If you have any suggestions, you can also leave them in the comments. Stay safe.